up? We got our custom t-shirts on. We're at Custom Effing Customs. We just got a package from none other than Mavrick Abrasives. Let's see what's inside. Woo! Super awesome Scotch-Brite abrasive belt for surfacing, getting a nice finish on your metal. Holy smokes. What do we got here? 80 grit, 120, and 320. So 80, 120, and 320. That is super nice. And this is the good shit right here. The 36 shredder. I don't know if they call this a shredder, but I'm calling it a shredder. Because we're going to be able to just take a piece of metal, push it straight through it like nothing. Got the 2 horsepower grinder. This thing does work. So yeah, super awesome. Thank you, Combat Abrasives. I know these products are definitely top of the line, and they're gonna do work in our shop.
All right, what are you gonna say? You ready?
Yes. So we got the shredding belts, 36. We got the Scotch-Brite abrasive belts for surface conditioning, super nice. And then we also got the 80, 120, and 320 for surface finishing. Yeah, super ecstatic on all this. Right. Basically Scotch-Brite. This would be the hardest one. So right here, I don't know what the names are, but
different grits.
Orange is the grittiest. So that'd be equivalent to probably
a woolly mammoth.
I'm guessing like 300 or something, maybe a little lower. Or yeah, no. That's probably a little lower than 300, and then it goes up and up and up to gray, which is the highest. Super nice. I'm wondering, because we did try and get some sharpening belts. Sharpen our knives for the cooking. Let's go shred. Let's go shred that gnar, bro. We're about to fucking be getting so tossed with the sparks up in here, you know what I'm saying?